Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Dereck in Tennessee on this Ranger RCI 99N4. We're closing out, trickling down on what's left of these, and I haven't seen any more come in. Ranger said there'd be no more, and then I heard rumors that maybe they would start making them again, but we've just got a couple left, so I can only hope maybe they'll start producing them again. They're one of my favorite rigs out there right now. We did all the mods to this ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade, wideband transmit receive, voltage regulator upgrade, etc. You've got your high cut noise filter on the back, and you've got your 10 kilohertz switch on the back. Dereck, you ordered 20 foot of red and black 4-gauge oxygen-free copper wire. We've got it ready to go as well, and the fuse holders. Got your modified SRA 198 mic. Let's just get on with the show real quick. 250 watt slug, RF power all the way down. Yep, looks like about 23, 24 watts. That way if you decide to run a 16 pill or something one day, you get full adjustability. About 110 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 200 bird. We're to the peak side, 1000 watt slug. Hello, 600 watts on the money. Somebody asked me, so what will it do peak power all the way down? So there's that, 25 watts. Hello, 600 watts. All right, Dereck, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.